Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam fam. Before we get started in today's video, you know what to do. You know the deal. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Turn your post notification bell on and give this video a thumbs up. As you guys can see from the title, today we are doing a Skims try on haul plus review. So I purchased 10 items, I think it was, in total. I'm gonna be trying things on for you guys, letting you know how I like them, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys too long in the intro. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see me in like pictures and stuff in these outfits, because I'm sure I will be taking pictures soon in the future. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, follow your girl on Instagram, Sam Alexandria. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
Ain't got time for no hello. Some people I eventually outgrow, yeah.
So I have everything listed for you guys down below in the description bar for everything that's available. Like I said earlier, I did get 10 different items, I think it was. I have my packaging slip right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items, like I said. I got 10 things, and yeah, I'm just gonna like try on everything. I already have an outfit on, so I'm gonna let you guys, I'm gonna put it on the screen what it is and what size I got. And I'm gonna hold on to my little packing slip because I don't know the specific names and I wanna give it to you guys correct. So right now I have on the soft lounge plunge bralette with the soft lounge leggings, both in the color taupe. I did get a size extra large. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see what it's looking like. This is the bralette. It does have like a little band underneath. It has the little Skims logo tag right there. Here's the leggings. It comes in the back. It's open the back. Don't mind my fat rolls. You know how it is. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's super comfortable and supportive. As you can see, the boobies is up, okay? So I really like that because even though I want to be lounging and be comfortable, you know, I still want to look cute, feel sexy, and that's one thing I must say. Like, these pieces have me feeling so sexy in my lounge clothes, which is very abnormal for me because I'm usually wearing like sweatpants and a t-shirt and just not really looking cute. These leggings are really, really nice. I'm gonna bring you guys down so you can see them all the way to the floor. Okay, I'm standing on my tippy toes, so hopefully you guys can see. They do cuff at the bottom. Don't mind my slippers. So it's like skinny legged, I guess. It cuffs at the bottom. I like that nice little detail though. And it's like a ribbed material, if you couldn't tell. Very soft, very comfortable. There's a band on top as well. It just matches with the bra like perfectly. It has this like line detail, making it appear to be like a boxer type of vibe. One thing I really, really love about these leggings is like, although they're skin tight, it's still very flattering. Like, I mean, I have cellulite rolls, stretch marks every which way on my body, but it doesn't like, you know, it doesn't give that all away. So it's nice that it's still tight without showing too much. I really, really appreciate that. So this is the first set. So far, so good. I love it. Definitely worth the price to me, in my opinion. I really, really like it. I actually don't want to take it off. Okay, so I did get 3 different pairs of underwear from them. I don't know if I'm actually gonna do a try on haul for the underwear because, you know, YouTube loves to demonetize people and I'm not trying to get demonetized, but I will show you what the underwear look like. I got the same 3 style, like all 3 pairs of underwear I got are the same style, just in different colors. I'll have them linked down below, but they're just a regular, you know, G-string thong. I'm upset at myself because I accidentally bought these ones and not the cotton ones. I forget the material that these ones are, but she does have like specifically 100% cotton underwear, and that's what I wanted to get, but I accidentally got these. So I got this one, and I also got a black one, and then like this taupey brown color one. So yeah, I mean, I might do a little try on, but it's risking it, so probably not. I also wanted to mention that I did get some of the Spanx, but girl, let me just show you guys. So this is the box that came in. It has like the Skims inside. Everything comes in like these biodegradable bags. I'll show you guys a little like Instagram story from when I first got it. But I wanted to show you guys the Spanx. So the Spanx come in this really cute box. This is the packaging for it. My not so smart self decided to get a large, extra large when I should have gotten an extra large 2XL. I had tried these on a couple days ago when I was going to my friend's birthday dinner, and I was like, let me just see, maybe I could wear the Spanx because your girl was needing it, and all the outfits I was trying on, I was like, ooh, I need some Spanx. But these are them, but they're just way too small, but I can tell the quality is there. I got these on, but they were just so tight, they were rolling down. But like the snugness, but the comfort at the same time, even though these were too small, they still were like comfortable almost. It just like wasn't staying up properly. So I really do want to get some in my size and see how they are, because I feel like this is where it's at. This is where it's at. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch outfits into the other set that I got. Real quick, before I get into this little set, I just wanna say I tried on the underwear. One, they will not be filmed because it's just too much. I can't do it. But those are the softest, comfortablest underwear I've ever tried in my life. No rap cap. I swear, they're so comfy. I need to buy the cotton ones for sure. Okay, moving along. I have on the, I think it's called Pointelle logo cami and boxer in the color mineral. I really love this color on my skin tone. Very earthy, but like cool at the same time. So I'm gonna get close so you guys can see. Oh, I forgot to mention that I love all the tops that I got, including the bra, have the adjustable straps, which I love. So yeah, anyways, moving along. So this one has the adjustable straps like I just mentioned. I have it like kind of higher up right now. I could loosen it up a little bit. I love the neckline of it, and if you look closely, there's detailing that says Skims all across it, which I think is really, really cool. Very comfy. I could see myself wearing this in the house a lot, but I could also see myself wearing it outside of the house. Like, I don't know, it just gives me like a just cami vibe, you know? So that's really cool. And then here are the boxers. They're just the regular boxer, you know, type of style. But they're super comfortable. Booty looks good. So they fit very similar to the legging that I had on, but these ones also have the Skims detailing. If you look closely, you can see it says Skims all over, which I think is just such a cute little detail. Let me bring you guys back up. But yeah, it has the band as well. Like very snug, but like just not too much, you know? So I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 so you guys can see how it looks. But I love this set. This is probably gonna be something I'm gonna wear in the house a lot, a ton. But yeah, I have one more set that I wanna try on for you guys. I feel like I spent so much money, but there's not that many items. But at the same time, I ain't mad at it. Like, these are items that I'll probably be wearing for a long time. So yeah, let me move on to the last set. I'm laughing because this line is just so Kim Kardashian. Like, this neckline, this little two-piece set just makes me feel like the Black Kim K, I swear to God. Not even to be funny, but like just this looks so much like her. I love it. By the way, I just want to throw it out there. All of my opinions are unbiased. Kim is not paying me for this video, but honey, if she wanted to, she sure could. Kim, if you're watching this, girl, hit me up. I will send you my address in a heartbeat, okay? Anyways, I'm wearing the Pointelle logo CAMI, bralette, and the Pointelle boxer, logo boxer as well. These are the same as the last ones I just tried on. So both of these also have that Skims detail. I don't know if you can see it on the bra. It's a little bit easier to see that logo on the boxers, but both of these pieces do have the, you know, full logo on them. This is in the color Suit, I believe, which is basically black. But yeah, these are both really comfortable as well. This set, you know, is more like a sleek look, which I really like too. I do love the earthy tones, but black is just my color always and forever. So yeah, I really, really like this. Super comfortable as well. Let me give you guys another 360. This bra isn't as comfortable as the first bra that I tried on or as the actual CAMI tank top, but that doesn't mean it's not comfortable. It's just not as comfortable. So still very comfortable, just not like, I wouldn't want to sleep in this. This doesn't give me sleep vibes. But yeah, I really love this little set. I honestly love all my pieces. I know this was kind of a short video, but like I said, I didn't get, well, I thought I got a lot. It just didn't come out, you know, when you try it on all together, it's just, it goes by quick. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul and review. And if you have any questions, never hesitate to DM me on Instagram, comment down below, you know, message me on Snapchat, whatever it is that you have. I will get to you guys as soon as I can. I love responding to you guys. I love having conversation with you guys. So yeah, I'm so happy with my purchases. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I spent a pretty penny, like I noted earlier. I think it was like 340 bucks after tax, but you do get free shipping if you spend over $75, which is, I think, you know, pretty decent. So, and it's easy to spend $75 on there, trust me. I would know. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like